Remove the battery packs. Use a 13mm socket and a 15mm open-end wrench to remove the 2 bolts and nuts securing the left and right sides of the seat. Remove the cable tie and disconnect the wire harness connector before removing the seat. Use a 13mm socket to remove the 4 nuts securing the base plate. Use a 13mm socket to remove the 2 bolts securing the switch assembly. Replace it with a new switch assembly and secure it with 2 bolts. Secure the base plate with 4 nuts. Plug the wire harness connector in and install the cable tie. Secure the seat with 2 bolts and nuts.